Hi, I'm Ty.
And I'm Abby.
And we're here to tell you about the word hexagon.
Yeah! Hexagon!
Hexagon!
Ty, what's a hexagon?
Oh, well, I'm glad you asked, Abby, because a hexagon is a shape.
Oh, right! A shape. Gotcha. Shape. There you go, Ty. Hexagon.
I hate to tell you this, Abby, but this is not a hexagon.
But it's a shape.
Yes, it is. It's a circle, but you see, it's round and without any angles. A hexagon has sides and angles.
Sides and angles. Oh, no problem. Got it.
But you don't even know how many sides and angles a hexagon has.
Shape. There's your hexagon, Ty.
Again, good try, Abby, but this is not a hexagon.
Yeah, but it's a shape and it has sides and angles.
That's right. It is a shape, and it has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 angles, but it's a triangle, not a hexagon.
Oh, I give up. Ty, I just don't know what a hexagon is.
Well, let me explain, Abby. You see, a hexagon is a shape with 6 sides and 6 angles.
Oh, 6 sides and 6 angles.
If it has 6 sides and 6 angles, it's a hexagon.
Okay, I got it. Shape.
Abby! I'm a shape! You turned me into a shape!
Yeah, but not just any shape. Look, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Woohoo! You know what you are?
I'm a hexagon!
Yeah! Hexagon!
Did you hear?